In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products with Kit. To get started, make sure you are signed into your Kit account and you are looking at the main dashboard. What we are going to do is create a digital product. Upload the file your customer will receive, set the price, and then publish it so it is ready to sell. First, go to the top navigation bar and click Earn. This is the area where Kit keeps everything related to monetization, like products and sales. Once you are in Earn, click Products. This takes you to your product list, where you can view what you have already created and where you can add something new. Now click New Product. This opens the product setup flow and guides you through a few quick screens. Start by entering the name of your product. Choose something clear and specific, because this name is what you will recognize in your dashboard, and it is often what customers will see as well. After you enter the name, click Next to move forward. On the next part, select Digital Download. This tells Kit that you will be delivering a file to the buyer after purchase. Then upload your file. Before you upload, double-check that the file is the final version, named neatly, and opens correctly. This is important because the uploaded file is what Kit will deliver automatically, so you want the customer experience to be smooth and professional. After your file is uploaded, you will set your price. Take a moment to confirm you entered the amount you actually want to charge, and that it matches what you plan to advertise. When the price looks right, click Next. You are almost done. Click Create Product to generate the product inside Kit. At this point, the product exists, but it is not live yet. To make it available for purchase, click Publish. Once it is published, your digital product is officially ready to sell. That covers everything you need to know.